imagine the situation in which you need to work on a very difficult task. Let's say you need to study for an exam, you need to work on a project for your work, or maybe you need to work on your business. But you think that this difficult task will take a few hours to be completed, and you feel like you cannot do it right now, so you move it to another day. Another day comes, you feel the same. You say, I don't have 2 hours to work on it now, I will do it another day. And the situation keeps repeating over and over again until you start feeling bad about yourself and bad about not doing the task, and at the same time your very important project is not progressing. But what if I tell you that this problem could be solved if you track the time that it actually takes to complete the task? More in today's video. Hi, my name is Ljubica. I have a PhD in neuroscience. On the channel Neuroproductivity, I talk about organizing time, setting goals, and developing habits by using principles of neuroscience. In today's video, I will talk about why we think the difficult times are long and how we can solve this problem. I always like to start by giving my own example, which is I have this YouTube channel, and in order for my YouTube channel to run, I need to edit the videos. And I used to think that editing a video like this would take me around 2 hours. And then when I wanted to edit the video, I would say, okay, this takes 2 hours, but now I don't have time because I need to work for my job. So I don't have time to do it, I do it another day. Another day comes, I would say, no, I need to do my French homework because I'm learning French. I don't have time to do it now. Or maybe I need to cook and do laundry. And then I will keep procrastinating and feel bad about myself because this YouTube channel is important for me and I want to publish videos every week. So a few weeks ago, I got the idea to track the time that it actually takes for me to complete this task. And it turned out, as I initially thought it takes 2 hours, it turned out it takes only 30 minutes. So which is 4 times less. And once I figured it out, let me tell you that now starting to edit a video is much easier. I will now explain the neuroscience behind it. Basically, when tasks are difficult, they seem to last longer because there is some fear involved with it. When we are scared, it seems that time is passing by more slowly. In one study, scientists gave subjects 2 different movies to watch. One was a horror movie, so it was scary. Another one was a more neutral one, so it didn't involve fear and it was not scary. And as you might guess, when participants watch the horror movie compared to when they watch a regular movie, they experience the time to be longer. So an event, a time duration, they experience it to last longer. Another a bit extreme example is falling from high above, and people are falling from high above. It seems as if time stops, and it seems that this event that lasts only, I don't know, some seconds or minutes lasts much longer. So maybe watching a horror movie and falling from a high above seems a little bit particular, but this can also be applied to everyday life. Why would I be scared, for example, to edit my videos? Well, while I'm editing the video, I might have some thoughts such as the video is not good enough, people won't like it, they will leave negative comments, my YouTube channel will not grow, and all these thoughts running through my brain could make me scary. So I estimated the time to be longer. For you, for example, maybe if you're working a presentation for work that is very important, that you're going to present in front of your boss or in front of your colleagues, you might be scared that you won't do it very well enough, that you will get negative feedback, maybe that you will even get fired. That's why you might be scared and you might experience some fear while working on the presentation. So you procrastinate on starting to do it. So what could we do about this? A solution is to track how much time these tasks or working on a project actually takes. So once you start working on something, turn on the timer or the stopwatch, and while you're working on the task, record how much time, actually track how much time it takes. Make sure if you get distracted, when we are working on a difficult task, it's easier to get distracted. I will talk more about that on my channel, so make sure to subscribe. When you work on a difficult task, you might start wanting to go on the toilet, you might want to eat, you might grab your phone and scroll on Instagram. So make sure not to take into account to stop the stopwatch, the timer, when you are being distracted. So only record and measure the time, the quality time that you spend working on a task. And once you do that, you will probably figure out that it takes less time than you initially thought. And for shorter tasks, it's easier to put them in a calendar. And also when you want to start working on a task that is shorter, then it's easier to start working on it. For me, it's much easier now to start working on something when I know it's going to take only 30 minutes to finish, rather than when it takes 2 hours. I really want you to try and to implement that and write down in the comments down below how much time it actually takes for you to complete a task compared to what you initially thought. And I want you really to implement this. And if you have problems with it, you can also schedule a free consultation with me, because I'm offering one-on-one coaching for a program called Neural Productivity, where in 4 months we meet every week and we work on your time management, your habit developments, your goal settings, in order for you to be more productive, get more things done, and eventually reach your goals. This was all for today. Stay tuned, I'm preparing something very interesting for you in the following weeks, and thank you for watching.